Hey everyone! Welcome to Honest Straight Review, where I give you the truth about products, straight to the point. Today, I'll be reviewing Ring Quiet Plus, clean natural solution for tinnitus and ear health. Does it really help with ringing in the ears? Is it worth the investment? Stay with me to the end and find out everything you need to know. I'll show you what the product is, what it promises, the real pros and cons, and the honest verdict. Ring Quiet Plus is a dietary supplement designed to target the root causes of tinnitus, that constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing in the ears. According to the manufacturer, it works improving brain and nerve health, supporting hearing, and reducing inflammation in the auditory system. It's made with natural ingredients like ashwagandha, bacopa monnieri, zinc, rhodiola, and GABA, which are known to support cognitive clarity and calm the neural signals responsible for tinnitus. Here's what I like about Ring Quiet Plus. Noticeable noise reduction. After about 2 weeks, I noticed less buzzing and fewer episodes of ringing. Better sleep and focus. It helped with mental clarity and made it easier to concentrate during the day. Natural ingredients, no chemicals or synthetic additives. Easy to take, just 2 capsules a day with water, no hassle. Also supports overall brain health, not just for ears, but for mood and memory too. But let's be real, here's what could be better. Results take time, it's not an overnight fix. For me, it took over 0 days to feel noticeable change. Not cure, it manages symptoms, but won't fully cure tinnitus in every case. Only available online. You won't find it in local stores, so you have to buy from the official website. So, is Ring Quiet Plus worth it? In my honest opinion, yes, if you're looking for a natural and non-invasive way to reduce the discomfort of tinnitus. I recommend it for people who are dealing with constant ear noise and want a supplement that supports brain and ear function. But I wouldn't recommend it for those looking for immediate results or a guaranteed medical fix. Final score, 8.5 out of 10. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. The official Ring Quiet Plus link is in the description. Make sure to use the official site to avoid fake products. And let me know in the comments, have you ever struggled with tinnitus? What helped you manage it?